Her sister's husband had a secret. After losing her parents, Natasha thought moving in with her sister would make her feel safe again. But sometimes, danger doesn't come from strangers. It comes from someone already inside the house. Natasha was only 19 when her parents died in a car accident. Everything changed overnight. She had no one, except her older sister, Ria. Ria welcomed her in. Gave her a room, said, "You're safe now." Natasha tried to smile, tried to feel normal. But there was always something strange, something cold, in that house. And it wasn't from Ria. It was from Rohan, Ria's husband. At first he was kind, helpful, too helpful. He complimented Natasha's clothes, her hair, her perfume. He stared too long. He touched her back when he walked past. His hand stayed just a second too long. She told herself she was imagining it, until one night. She was reading alone in the living room. Everyone else was asleep. She wore a simple t-shirt and shorts. Nothing special, just trying to relax. Rohan came downstairs, said he couldn't sleep. Sat next to her. Too close. He didn't talk about the book. He talked about her. "You've grown up so fast," he whispered. "So beautiful now." Her stomach twisted. She stood up quickly, but he grabbed her wrist. Not hard, but firm. "I'm not going to hurt you," he said, smiling. "I just want to look at you." She pulled away and ran upstairs, locked the door, sat in the corner, heart racing. She didn't tell Ria. She couldn't. What would she say? That her husband, the man she trusted, had bad intentions. So Natasha stayed silent. But the looks continued. The touches, the accidental moments when he walked in while she changed. The quiet knocking on her door at night. One day Ria left for a work trip, and Natasha knew she couldn't stay. She packed a small bag, left a letter for her sister, one that said just enough. "I love you, but I don't feel safe in your home anymore. One day, I'll tell you why." She moved into a hostel, got a job at a bookstore, and started over. Weeks passed, then months. One day, she got a call from Ria. Her voice was shaking. "I found your letter, and I found something else." Turns out Natasha wasn't the only one. Ria had discovered messages, photos, a truth that broke her heart. She left Rohan that same day, and for the first time in months, Natasha cried. Not because she was scared, but because she finally felt free. Sometimes the people who hurt you the most are the ones who wear masks the best. Natasha was scared, silent, and young. But she didn't stay that way. She didn't wait for someone to save her. She saved herself.